So the question is even or tree. In this question, a tree is given, and what we have to return? It is a bool. We have to return true or false. So in this question, we have given a tree, and the root level, and with the level at which the root is present, that is level 0. We are initiating it with level 0. The next level is level 1. The next is level 2, and so on. We have to return true if for every even level, for example 0, 2, 4, for these levels, all the elements present in these levels are odd elements, odd values, and they are present at each level. The elements are present in the strictly increasing order, and in the odd level, all the elements in the odd level are even values, and all the elements at each odd level are present in strictly decreasing order. So we have to return true, else we have to return false. So in this question, we will use the breadth first search BFS to solve this question. So first initiating the queue and taking n is equal to 0 for level, because we are at the starting at the root level, that is level 0, and taking a variable v is equal to 0, because first we have to check for strictly increasing, so we are taking 0. So yeah, and next pushing in queue, pushing the root element and null value, then iterating in the while loop. We are running a loop till queue becomes empty. First we are getting the top element, and if the top element is null, then what we are doing is we are incrementing the n by 1, and if n is odd, we are initiating v is equal to, because we want to get the strictly decreasing order if n is odd, so we will put v is equal to int max. Else if n is even, we will put n is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, sorry, and then we'll continue in this, like for example. So then we will be checking whether we have to return true or whether we have to return false. Matlab, we are using the if conditions, and if in if conditions what we are checking is if the level is even and the element present it in is even, or the element present it in is not in a strictly increasing order, so we will return false. And similarly we were checking for n is equal to odd, n is odd for odd levels, then we are updating the value of v to top value present at the top node, and then for the top node, if the top left and top right are available present, that is not equal to null, then we are pushing these top left and top right in the queue. So in this fashion, if the conditions are not met, we are returning the false. After iterating from the loop and exiting the loop, after exiting the loop, we will return true, because the loop executed successfully, and at the end we are given the tree in the same manner we have given the conditions. So then we will return true. So yeah, this is the question.